This is a fact. All right, this is a fact. This is how more than 50% of Americans want their home to look like on November 1st. Uh, Again, my name is Vivian Ziwe. I'm the owner. I own Made Right and Infinity Holiday Light. This is our agenda today. I'm going to have this presentation. This is our agenda. This is about me. I was born in a small country in Central Africa called Cameroon, in case you know. I studied nuclear physics in my early life. In France, I studied at ICAM, Institut Catholique des Arts Métiers. I also came to this country in 2006, where I started by studying nursing at University of District of Columbia. I'm also, after a while, I realized it wasn't really a passion. I went back to engineering. With my engineering mindset, I went back to UMD. I am an electrical engineer, and I have a couple certification as well. I'm an Agile Scrum Master. I'm a certified PMP, and I'm also a cybersecurity analyst and a AWS architect. This is my wife. These are the reason I wake up every morning. That's, as you can see, that's my wife Betty. She's a urologist, nurse practitioner. She also a lieutenant, and she is also US PhD lieutenant. That's my senses. Those are my kids. That's Raphael. That is Nirel, and that is Yael. Those are my three kids. And on the bottom right picture, though, that's my actual census and the house, because I have my nephews that I'm raising as well. Okay. Like I told you, I'm the owner and CEO of Made Right and seasonally Infinity Holiday Light. This is my presentation. This is what we do, who we are, who is Made Right. We don't just make home shine. We make your neighbor jealous in more like a festive way. We are the same company that you trust to make your house home spotless, and we design. That's one thing we do. We design, we install, we maintain, and we remove light. So you don't have to lift any finger. You don't have to do anything. We go from Halloween all the way to Christmas to New Year's Eve. We do everything. And this is what we call our Halloween glow up. So we transform your spooky front yard into a beautiful masterpiece and perfect lighting for trick-or-treaters and selfie takers. We also bring the pumpkin, but we bring the glow. This is our Christmas magic. These are a couple pictures of our Christmas magic. We basically, from a classic white elegance to a glow Griswold extravagance, roof line, trees, walkways. We do it all, and you don't have to lift, as I said earlier, zero ladder for you, zero stress for you, and you just enjoy 100%. This is more like what we do. Like we have a New Year's sparkle. Also, we we bring New Year's with light. So we love sparkling. We install, like I say, we install, maintain, take down, and after the season, and that is all up to you. You decide when you want us to come and take it out. Some people rather take it out right after New Year's, like January 2nd, 3rd, and some they want it there. If you want it there all the way up to the end of February, we keep it there. And just let us know. We come and take it out. And these are like why choose us, right? We are safe professional. We do a safe professional installation, and no rooftop adventure required by you. Just like I said earlier, we don't want you to be playing the overconfident reindeer. Uh, we custom design, and we also adjust to every home and every budget as well. So if you want to go wow, we take you there. If you want to stay very conservative, we will make it exactly the way you want it. We also, one thing also about us is that we use eco-friendly LED light. All our C9 bulb are only 0.45 watt. So that is one of the good things, because a lot of people think of holiday light. They're like, "Oh, okay, this is gonna make my bill, my electric bill go all the way to the roof." We would do our best not to do that. Our vendors, whatever light we have, are very low wattage LED bulb. And we haven't come back and remove your light, like I said earlier. So this is basically our calendar. On Halloween, we do orange, purple, and fun and scare. On Thanksgiving, we could just come back and do warm amber and amber tone and cozy. That's the sign of gratitude. We also do red, green, and everything twinkle. And on New Year's, we do silver and sparkles, celebrating the beginning. So one good thing is that we can do all this in the same season. So we can come and do orange light during Halloween, and by the end of the year, you have your silver, sparkly white light. We could change it up all throughout the year. What do our clients say? These are the couple things our clients says. They made our home the star of the neighborhood. No stress, no tangle, just a stunning light. Best decision we made for the holiday season. So those are pretty much the things they say. How can you help me? Think of a friend, neighbor, or business who wants their home or storefront to shine. Referral are going to be the brightest gift you could give this season. Connect them with me. And remember, we don't just light home, we light up the whole entire holiday. That is me. That is my presentation. It was just a short and quick one. And that's my QR code over there that takes you straight to my website. And remember, it's the same website that has Made Right and Infinity Holiday Light. It's on the same website. It's the same company. We just do this because we don't want you to get on the ladder and potentially, get that trip to the ER. So if you have any question, I will be happy to get in the room with you later on and talk to you.
Thanks
That's
so
my
much.
QR code. Again, if anybody wants to look at what we